life. An everyday experience in Wayne, Nebraska.
Providence Medical Center was excited to showcase Phase 1 of their new Radiology and Outpatient Clinic during a Sunday afternoon open house. This marks Phase 1 of 4 at PMC, with the next phase already underway on Monday, June 6th, being the front entrance. PMC Chief Operating Officer and Interim CEO Chris Geese said they kept what's going to be easy for the patients at the top of mind.
Making it easy to find where you need to go, making it convenient. For instance, you'll be able to register. If you have any lab work, it's right there next to registration, and then come down to your pod if you're coming to outpatient physician.
Department of Health and Human Services, DHHS, will need to give PMC approval before the new Radiology and Outpatient Clinic can be fully operational. Patients would check in at the east doors and be escorted to the waiting space. There are 3 nurses' stations, or pods, each pertaining to a different department within the outpatient clinic. East was the final stop of Sunday's tour.
A long hallway, very bright and spacious. Everybody seemed to really enjoy the tour. We had experts on hand to talk about their areas, and they thought it was very interesting.
During the tour, a volunteer table was also featured. PMC is looking to build their volunteer program up and are looking for greeters and wayfinders to assist patients. Geese is hoping that in December, Phase 2 is finishing up, which is the whole new entrance, and will offer a glass front.
It'll connect to this area, but it will also connect into the inpatient area, so it'll be the main entrance, which I think is less confusing for people. We numbered our doors, but kind of hard to figure out, okay, what's the main entrance? The purpose was really just to mitigate the pain a little bit of all the inconvenience that we're going to have for a few months going forward here, to give a little preview of what's in store. It'll be worth it.
Again, during the front entrance project, all patients and visitors should enter through the physical therapy doors. The entrance to the Providence Medical Center Emergency Department is still open and will continue to be used for emergencies. Future phasing is still under discussion for Phases 3 and 4. Reach out to Providence Medical Center at 402-375-3800 with any questions. PMC is located at 1200 Providence Road, as more information can be found at providencemedical.com. Reporting in Wayne, I'm Aaron Scheffler, WayneDailyNews.com.